Okay, so now we know that we got this outside part. Okay, and then what Jocelyn was saying is that one's for the outside, but this one is to cut the hole, basically, the inside, which is true. So the next thing is we have to decide, we have to remember what we said. What did we say about the mat? What size mat? 2.5. So on here, there's a thing, and this thing moves this way or this way, and it's backwards. Hey guys, can y'all be quiet for just a second? I'm trying to do this and I can't hear myself talking. So it's backwards. It starts here and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want 2.5. Is that right? So it's just look between the 2 and the 3, and that's the half. Like you might be tempted to put it in the wrong place, like I used to be. I totally did. Okay, then we want to put this here, like so. Okay. And then this is our board. We want to square it off by putting it like right here. And we want to be on the back of the mat. So when you're using the mat board, it matters. And you can see right here, I don't know if y'all can see on but it says crescent.
Yep.
So that means it's the back. So when you do the real board, you'll have it facing down. You do the back. Okay. Put this here so we don't forget. Okay. So we're going to just draw our lines. And if you decide to rotate clockwise, always rotate clockwise. Don't rotate in different directions. You want to always pick one direction and rotate. And it makes a bigger difference when you do the mat board because it's thicker. But it's just a good habit to get into. Okay, so the next thing is we're almost done actually. So this is the mat cutter right here. Let me show y'all this. And it's good to look at it too. I mean, it looks right, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks even all the way around. Okay. Okay. This is the front. You place the front down. Okay. And this is. Show you real quick. You want to look. Y'all can come closer because you're gonna have to. There's a line right here, and there's a line right here on this little Dumaflotcher. So when you're cutting something thin like this, it doesn't, you don't have to go like that. Let me show you real quick. But when it's the thick mat board, you want to bring it about right there. Because the way that the bevel is, it's called a bevel. Okay, can you still get this rest of it for me? And what we do is, okay, so I'm gonna put this line, because this is thin, I'm gonna put this line right on that line. You press down and you push away from you. And then you want this line to line up with this line. Okay, there's a line right here. You wanna zoom, yeah. Then you rotate. I like to rotate clockwise just because I can always remember to go clockwise. Okay, same thing. And that's why it's good to do a practice one, because sometimes this thing can slip and you're like, oh my gosh. So it involves a little math. It's not that hard. Y'all caught on really quick. Okay, that's bad right there. See, I don't have it flush because I can see some of the black through. So, and I can see that my pencil line is crooked too. So I'm glad I noticed that. Okay, almost done. Okay. And right where it stops. Okay. And then I didn't really explain this part, but there's a little lever here. It's black with a razor blade, actually. Be careful. And you push down and then away from yourself until this line matches up with that. And then you're done. Okay. And then you get your artwork and you make sure that it fits. And put your pencil lines this way, right? And that fits pretty good. I think a black one might look better on yours.
Yeah, that's why I asked.
Yeah, but that looks good. Okay.